In this video, I will show you how to promote your YouTube videos with Google Ads at lower costs. So let's go to the Google Ads site. You will find this link in video description section too. First, sign up for Google Ads account with your Gmail login details. In Google Ads dashboard, you need to create new ad campaign first. Next, you will come across these options to create campaign based on what you need the campaign for: sale promotion, leads or website traffic, product or brand promotion, and awareness of app promotion, or create your own campaign goal. For YouTube video promotion, we need to select this campaign. Next, in this page, we need to select this video option. And next here, we need to select a custom video campaign from this list of options and continue the process. From here on, we can set up everything manually for the video campaign, which will allow us to advertise and promote YouTube videos for lower price. First, we need to add a campaign name. This name will not appear in the ads display, but it is only for our reference to find it in the dashboard. Next, bidding strategy. To bid on ads, we have two options: the maximum CPV, or cost per view we are willing to pay for each video, and target CPM. Here it is the cost per 1000 impressions we are willing to pay. With impression option, people click or not make no difference. If 1000 impressions are shown to people, then we need to pay to Google. Since we are more interested in video views rather than mere impression, that is people clicking on the video, we can click and select the first option. Next, we need to add the bidding budget or price as well as the dates for the ads to be shown to people. Here, since I live in India, it's the Indian rupee. You may be seeing it in your own country currency. Here, we can select the bidding amount that we wish to spend daily or on the total campaign value for the ad. Spending daily is more beneficial than the total campaign option. Google will not advertise more than what we have quoted daily. In the networks option, we need to select the first two options and deselect the third option to get lower ad promotion price and better results. You can select the country or group of countries or specific cities or targeted areas where you want the ads to be shown. To get lower bidding price, you can select Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, or some of the South African countries here. Select your language here. Select English if your target audience is English-speaking viewers, or you can select your local or country language if you are promoting the video to them. Under Inventory Type, we need to select Expanded Inventory section. In Exclude Type, we need to select these option and deselect Not Yet Labeled Content option. Next, under Edition Settings, we need to go to Devices section. Here, we can select Mobile Phones option and deselect all other, as the ad promotion price on mobile phones is cheaper, and today almost everyone uses mobile phones. It's the better option of all for more view at lower price. Frequency capping is the frequency with which the ads are shown to viewers. Here, we need to select Cap Impression Frequency and type Impression Cap as 1 and select the month option. Here, only once our ads will be shown to each individual in a month, as we do not want to irritate them showing again and again. Next, we need to create an ad group. Here, we can give a name for the ad group. In the ad group, we need to select the audience and demographics for the ad promotion. We can select the age group, male or female, and other options who would be most interested in my YouTube video. For me, these two age groups, that is 25 to 34 and 35 to 44, works out more as they can relate to my YouTube video better. Next, here under Audience, we can select options based on their interests or profession. The ads will be shown only to people who are connected with these fields or profession. We need to skip these keyword topics and placements and come to bidding option. Very important. When adding the bid price here, it's the maximum price you are willing to pay for one view. By mistake, adding the decimal after a number can cost you a lot. Well, I have done that mistake in the past and was able to realize it only at the end of the day. We need to start the bidding at the very minimum price, and if you get more viewers, you can reduce the price, or if you don't get any views, you need to increase the bidding price for each view here. And here we can create the actual ad content that will be displayed in Google along with the YouTube video. We can go to our YouTube channel and copy the URL of the video and paste it here. Here, you come across ads in two formats. First, the in-stream ad, and the second is video discovery ad. In-stream ads are those that you see after 10 to 15 seconds, which can be skipped. We need not select the skippable in-stream ads as they are costly. We need to select video discovery ad, which comparatively has more views at lesser cost. Here, we can select the thumbnail image that will be displayed in the discovery video ad. See, this is how our ads will be displayed on mobile devices, as we are running ads only on mobile devices. We can copy the title of the video and add it in heading field here. If needed, we can edit it. Here, you can see the estimated performance of the discovery ad, the number of views, along with impressions, the average cost per view, and the budget for the discovery ad. Next, we can add some more text content in description section and finally create the campaign. We are done creating Google Ads for YouTube video promotion. Once Google start running ads based on the impressions and views, you can edit and update the cost per view. You can reduce the cost per view if you are getting more views, or you can increase the cost per view if you are not getting any views for the current cost per view. If you found the video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.